just came to say hello.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. So here is another one of my Valentine's Day gift ideas. And this was just following suit from some of the other creators that I follow. And the last person I saw do this was 615 Baskets. And hers was actually very pretty. This one is a replica of the gumball machine. So I used what I had on hand. I had the buckets. I did not have the bowl tops, but I did have the garden tops. So I did use those. And I didn't print a gumball machine turner. I used the hearts. And I wrapped it in shrink wrap and placed the balloon on top. Inside I placed the wall hanger heart, pair of earrings, a watch, the set of perfume from Temu, which is called Mystical. Comes in a set of 4, and they're actually pretty big. They're not 4 small ones. I'll say medium size. They're not large, but they're big enough. And I also placed candy in here as well as a little bear. And some lip liner with the lip gloss in the color wine. So I think this turned out really pretty. I shrink wrapped it and then I put a balloon in the top. I also put a bow underneath that balloon. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.